Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today I am just bringing you guys along for the ride of some of the more meticulous type of work that I do. These here happen to be some little miniature versions of kind of like Thor hammers, if you will. Just little necklace charms. I kind of got a whole string of these that had sold on me over the holidays. I got about 3 of them to do. One of them is going to be going on a stand, and then 2 are going to actually be necklaces. So all I'm doing here is just working at them, as you can see. So I'm engraving these little runes on the side, and it was funny. They're actually all a little bit different. So I've made a little miniature hammer in the past, and it had like a Viking rune on it that is supposed to be meaning like, I guess, peace and love kind of thing. And then I'm not sure what this other rune was. I call it the chicken foot rune, but anyways, and then there was one where they wanted me to engrave a cross on the side of it. So the one that you're looking at right now is the one that I'm engraving the cross. This is going to be a real long video today. I just kind of wanted to, I thought the process was neat, and I figured that it was neat enough to take and show everybody what I was doing. So the hardest part with working with stuff like this is getting a good hold of it and gripping it. And the way I have found best to do that is to grip it by the head and in a pair of vice jaws that have copper jaws to them. So that is the ideal way of gripping it, and you know, from what I found. Now the other trick is to not get your big club of a hand in front of the way whenever you're trying to film. This goes a lot smoother and simpler, and you don't have to hold it at such weird angles if you take and hold it. Oh, if you don't have to take and be mindful of a camera. But yeah, I mean, this is a pretty simple process. I'm actually liking this little hand engraving thing. I plan on doing some more demonstrations with this in the future. If anybody's interested, just let me know in the comment section down below. You know, and I greatly appreciate the feedback on that. You know, this is kind of a fun thing to do, and just 2 simple little tools. So up next, we'll be coming into some slides, and I'll show you how all these came out. So there's the cross with the stand, and some other stamping in the base that the customer requested. There's the peace and love symbol, and then the last one will be the chicken foot. But anyways, that's it for today. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you liked it. And like I always say, God bless you, and we will catch you on the next one.